Welcome to Sunbeam Infra Equipment. We are manufacture batching plant, transit mixer, concrete pump and mixer pump. This is our mixer pump. We have manufactured two models, MPD40 and MBE40, diesel version and electrical version. And we are using 4-cylinder engine, 62 kilowatts by water cooling system through radiator. Then we are using hydraulic pump, Kawasaki Mac, and constant pressure pump and tandem gear pump. This is a DC valve for drum rotation. This is a control box for pumping. This is our mixer pump skip bucket. Our skip bucket capacity is 0.4 MU, means 900 kg. Our features of mixer pump, weighing system. This is our weighing system. Aggregate weight we can show in weighing meter. And this load we can take record in data logger system. This is our drum, 0.4 MU capacity, 2 motors for drum. And our cylinder is 200 into 800 long, plunger cylinder, 2 cylinders, and our agitator motor with gearbox. Our hopper capacity is 600 liters. Our SOL system, advanced SOL system, and wear plate and wear ring is high reliable. We are using 180 diameter outline. Then we given one taper pipe, 180 to 125. Our output concrete is 200 bar pressure maximum. We have used advanceable automatic lubrication. This one, automatic lubrication. We are using lithium 00 grease for automatic lubrication. And we are using pumping for pumping 2 sensor is in water box. We are using the accumulator. This one accumulator for plunger cylinder pressure. Our mixer pump hydraulic oil HLB 68. Our capacity is 200 liters. Then our hydraulic oil cooling system in water cooling system. This is our control panel for our mixer pump. This is forward and reverse switch. This cylinder manual, pump switch, weighing indicator for our weighing system, and remote on panel. This ignition key. This is swing manual, plunger cylinder manual switch, and mixing discharge means drum, forward and reverse. Then in-charge hopper means skip bucket for height and up and down. This is water on off, and vibration switch is there. This is our engine meter. Here RPM and kilopascal, temperature, voltage, hours. This is our towing system for moving side to side, easily movable to transporting.
The MPD40 comes with the label of Sunbeam brand assurance. The product customized to Indian application and customers. The MPD40 built with a branded parts like an engine, hydraulic pump, control block with the DC valve, control panel with the data logger, and the wear parts, also hoppers as well. Like this, it's give a best performance, reality and genuinity. The MPD40 brings with it comprehensive warranty offered by authorized Sunbeam channel. The Pan-India after-sales support network of Sunbeam ensures peace of ownership and optimal product support to the customers. It is a multifunctional machine to emphasize two-in-one solution of mixing and pumping to ensure minimal labor and increased productivity, resulting in long-term earnings. Based on customer experience, our MPD40 gives a product benefits from conventional operation. Our mixer pump application in real estate, remote sites, small to middle construction jobs, and tier 2 and 3 cities and towns. In productivity benefits about 5 times compared with the conventional manual method and 2 times compared with the separate pumping and mixing. In our Sunbeam manufacturing product, this concrete mixer pump is our one of the best product. Thank you.